Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing passport seizures in the context of arrest. I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Bangkok Post, bangkokpost.com. Article is titled, Police Bar Chinese Bribe Suspect from Leaving Thailand. Quoting directly, police seized the passport and blocked the departure of a Chinese journalist arrested for allegedly demanding a multi-million baht bribe from a suspected Chinese gangster to arrange for charges against her to be dropped. Deputy National Police Chief Police General Surachat Hakpan, that's quote-unquote big joke, said on Sunday police had turned down, names redacted, requests to leave the country, quote, to attend a meeting, unquote, in Hong Kong. Police prohibited the woman from leaving Thailand because she was a suspect and her passport had to be seized, Police General Surachat said. Yeah, so when you're arrested in Thailand, not unlike, for example, the United States, they may rescind your passport until such time as a criminal trial has occurred and a verdict has been rendered as to one's innocence or guilt. Now, one can request of the court as perhaps part of bail proceedings that one be allowed to have their passport returned and one be allowed to leave the kingdom briefly, for example, in this case, sort of for a business meeting. Again, it's at the discretion of the court whether or not that's going to be allowed. It can also be, well, at the time of arrest, generally speaking, the police will do that pro forma. They'll basically say, look, we're going to hold your passport, and then they'll deal with your embassy here locally and explain, what's going on. And oftentimes then the consulate, in the case of the American Citizen Services section, the consulate will often send an officer down to just check in, usually to say, hey, you may want to hire an attorney, give folks a list of attorneys, and oftentimes they will assist in sending a message or messages back to one's family, for example, back in the United States. That's just an example of how the Americans do it, but most other embassies kind of do it similarly. But long story short, if you get arrested in Thailand, presume you're going to have your passport taken. You're not going to be able to leave until the criminal matter has been resolved.